Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's discuss part 3, 20 multiple choice questions about HTML. Those questions are very important for you for exams. Let's see each question one by one. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. The first question, HTML is considered as blank language. What kind of HTML is considered as what kind of language? HTML considered as markup language. 2. In HTML document, the tags A can be written in both uppercase or lowercase, should be written in proper case, should be written in lowercase, should be written in uppercase. The correct answer is HTML documents, the tags can be written either in uppercase or lowercase. Thus are not case sensitive. A is the correct answer. 3. To create HTML page, we need web browser and text editors. Both A and B is the correct answer. 4. The closing anchor tag and the opening anchor tag and closing anchor tags are the tags that used for blank. Adding image, align text, audio, voice text, adding link to your page. The correct answer is the anchor tags that used for add links to our HTML page. D is the correct answer. 5. To add plain color background to your web page, use which of the following? To add plain color background, we can write the HTML syntax, closing brackets, then body bg color equals the value of plain color in RGB value followed by hash tags. C is the correct answer. 6. The body tag is usually used after HTML tag, M tag, title tag, head tag. The body tag usually used after head tag. The closing of head tag. 7. The tag which allows you to nest other HTML tag within the description. Caption tag that helps to nest other HTML tag within the description. 8. Which tag tells the browser where the page starts and stops? To tell the browser where the page starts and stops is the root element HTML. A is the correct answer. 9. Increasing the cell padding means increase the distance between cell and contents. Increase the space between cell. B is the correct answer. 10. Which tag will add rows to your table? In HTML document, to add list of rows and table element is CR tag. A is the correct answer. 11. Which color consists of equal amount of all basic colors? White, black, and gray colors contain all equal amount of all type of basic colors. 12. Which of the following underline tags? To underline text in HTML document is we can use U tag. C is the correct answer. Question number 13. Which tag can set the background color for your page? The background color of our page is visible in our website, so the body tag is that used to set the proper background color of our website page. So body tag is the correct answer. Question number 40. Which of the following will not be found in the head section? The head section contains the metadata, meta tags, titles, but not include the visible part on our web page, like tables. So table should include in the body tag or in the body section. A is the correct answer. It is not found in the head section in HTML document. Question number 50. What is the correct HTML code for inserting an image? To insert image in HTML document, the correct syntax is image element, then source equal with the URL of the image. This is the correct answer. Question number 16. Why should you add alternative text to your image? Adding alternative text to our images in HTML document helps so the users can get an idea of what the image is before. Question number 17. Which section is used for text and tags that are shown directly on your web page? The body section that's used for texts and tags that used to put the visible part, the visible elements in our web page. C is the correct answer. Question number 18. Who is making the web standards? World Wide Web Consortium that makes the web standards. Question number 19. What does v-link mean? V-link mean visited link in HTML. The last question in HTML part 3 questions. What is the most important tool for adding color to certain area of the page rather than the entire background? To add the most important elements or part of our background in our web pages, tables that's used to set the important specified area in our important colors table is the correct answer. This is all about HTML multiple choice questions part 3. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.